Absolute wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hubert Centers here. Let's take a look at the gold market. So obviously today we had a little bit of a bounce, not much. It is a very dead cat bounce as far as today is concerned. We might get a little bit more follow-up through tomorrow. Won't know until tomorrow, but I got a question today. If you thought, where do you think gold's going? And if you think it's going much lower, how would you trade it? Well, there's a couple different ways you can do that. Number one, you could just get short the futures, and you could trade the June until June expires. You could do that. There's not a problem with that if you want to do that. That's obviously available to you. If you want to hold it for a little bit longer period of time, you could short August gold futures. They'll expire in August. And then you could also trade the October futures. Now, there's not a huge amount of volume. Like today, we had 393,000 contracts traded in this month's contract, which is June, which is pretty good volume. But you can see in the other months, you've got 9,000, you've got 3,000. Don't worry about that too much. As long as you're not 10% of the market, you'll be able to get out of those trades just fine. If you don't want to short futures, you could also short GLD. It won't be a perfect approximation, but it will get you close. And you could just short that and hold on to that and use a stop. And then you're looking for on, GLD, it could potentially go as low as, say, 120 on that reading. And then on gold, it kind of depends on how much panic and fear we get into the market here. And I've got targets lower, but there's nothing saying that we can't come all the way back down here into the 1200 area. And I know it's still a big drop, but it could be done. I think we're going to retrace over the next few days a little bit, just work our way out of it and then roll back over. I don't think we're going to totally fall apart here, but like I said, we didn't get a huge bounce today. So that's how I would do it. I would probably trade the August, or not the August, but the Octobers. If I thought it was going to go substantially lower over the long term, which I do, I would do the contract on GCV13, which is October, or I would get short some GLD. Good luck. Hope it helps. See you on the next video.